Ye boko ene dinam. Nti nya botre utu obu ase a. Benye be ma papa wo hwe na me be yi be ma papa bia mo wa. Wakasa mo be dwo ti oba do. Enye di oba be tietie o. Oba be jojo. Oba be ha o. Ti mi si nya botre ma me ba. Na be ma no a wo se wa ti ahwe ni do mu no. Oye ni papa be.
Mami. Fort kakao.
Fort sese.
Ade.
Obugbegu. Na den eko.
Bema no. Wa boda.
What's it then? Wa bodam. Ebusua we mu no. Wana we hu se. Bema obiati ahwe boda fodo mu da. Ha me yi da we o.
Mami. Oya.
Oya de. Bibi ya wo. How do you feel there?
Mami.
Hey! Since you see the da. Me listen. We the bema wa bodam. Ebi so no mo no obi a wa bodam.
Yeah. Step forward with no look back. Yeah. Focus. We step, we get it. We never give up, my nigga. We double the hustle, hey.
Lovely.
Yes, dear.
I came out the last time I didn't see you.
I'm very busy these days, so why did you call me out?
You know I always discuss everything with you.
I know.
Yeah, and this special one thing I want to discuss with you.
What is that?
I'm in love.
Are you serious?
I'm for real.
And who is this lucky person?
That's the issue. Because he's insane.
You're in love with somebody who is mad. Is everything okay with you?
I don't see anything wrong with that.
You don't see anything wrong with what? Somebody who is insane.
He just needs help.
Help! Oh God. Obi our bada. Okay. So what are you going to do about it?
I need your support.
I can't support you in this rubbish.
It looks as if nobody wants to help me with this.
Because nobody is going to help you with it.
Yes, I love him.
You love him? Okay. Don't look at me because I can't support you.
Fine. I'll carry my own burden.
Then you have to carry it. You're in love with somebody who is mad.
I don't have what I'm searching for. I know I go get it, that's why I'm still looking for it. Them say heaven help those who help themselves. So I'm trying my best as a person.
Gigi.
Yeah?
A lot has been on my mind. And I'm really disturbed. Everybody turned me down. But I trust you and I hope you will be there for me. There's this boy I loved. My heart ends for him. But the truth is, he's insane. But yes, so I think I can help out. I really love this guy. I do.
So you mean you are confused? You don't know what to do. Okay, you see, this life, you have to follow your heart. You have to go for where your heart belongs to, no matter who the person is. You understand? And don't listen to people. God has a reason why He is drawing the both of you closer. You understand? Keep pushing. Don't give up. Okay.
Thanks a lot. You've added joy over what I was feeling. I thought all hopes are lost. But yet, you are there to be trusted. Thank you.
I
Welcome.
still don't have what I'm searching for. I know I go get it, that's why I'm still looking for it. Them say heaven help those who help themselves. So I'm trying my best as a person. I put the work, I'm waiting for results. So make you not give up, make
No tomorrow. Who's the both never said I had it. It from another over for the star. That's it. Who's it? Tell my young Colano. I'm to you say. Yes, my maid, they say.
Mele.
Aha, about me. What do you have? Yes, my maid, they say.
Mele.
About bad, they say.
Abraham.
My hand.
Joseph.
That's all it is. Yeah, one day, why?
Doing good.
That's the diva. We are going to body back.
Acquah.
Yes.
Uncle Moby will have this family meeting, right? I have something to tell you.
Uncle Moby.
The thing is that I've found someone that I love.
Ah, that's when you'll be out on.
Yeah.
Okay.
But if I know what fault,
Or fought like how?
on your complete.
I don't know. Theatre.
Uncle, I'll be an theatre. I didn't see. There's our first country on your complete.
Ah. I never put in, and then. Why then? Ah, it's Obi our bottom. And I won't walk on.
There's only one.
Uncle, man, that's why on him more. Oh, and as I know, can one say, go on. Eh? Since I is this with Yanumo, the men who say, if Yanumo, Obi a cocoa water down for the number feeder. Huh? The man, I know who's Obi a cocoa water down for, at the number of Yanumoda. No one as someone wants a walking, so my or test as a bell dana.
We don't know him.
Who don't know Yamwa? As young general, young for what happened if I'm brave. No for a demon boy, of Yano. Another day. Eh? Mary. The Tifiano Grandpa. And Grandma. Share, there goes with Yano. Next, I'll be up on Tiago for Bodam and I become a move Yano. I don't even understand you. Huh? I make a throw, but I'm from nurse if you have my net, not nurse if you have more now. You know if you have.
I still don't have what I'm searching for. I know I go get it, that's why I'm still looking for it. Them say heaven help those who help themselves. So I'm trying my best as a person.
My friend, I want to tell you something.
What's it?
It's about Mary.
Mary.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Please advise Mary. Tell her to stop following that madman. After all, we have a lot of guys out there. Why should she be following that madman? What will she gain from it? Well, I'm saying this because she's your friend. She's your best friend, so please advise her, okay?
Is that the reason why you came here?
Yes, that's the reason why. Because you are my friend.
You don't have any other thing. Let's change topic.
I'm talking about Mary here. She's your best friend. Please, advise her, okay? She should stop following that madman. She will not gain anything. She's a beautiful girl. Why should she be following that madman? For what reason? Please,
I've heard you.
advise her, okay?
Thank you
You're
for your
welcome.
advice. I'll advise her.
Good, I know you do. Maybe people may also be thinking you're also mad. That's why, because you're my friend, that's why I'm mad.
No, mad. No problem.
Are you not upset with me?
You can be. Oh, no, okay, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You sure? My friend, my friend.
I still don't have what I'm searching for. I know I will get it, that's why I'm still looking for it. Them say heaven help those who help themselves. So I'm trying my best as a person.
Mary, you look sad. You look dull. Hope you are okay. Talk to me. Are you okay?
How can I be okay? Gigi, how can I be okay?
What is it?